Foundation Module 9 is Modular Integrated Undergraduate Curriculum Physiology. Dr. Sheen, CEO and founder, Sheikh Zayed Medical College Physiology Department. Dr. Sheen Medical Superfast Simplified Physiology Video Lecture Notes. Guyton and Hall 14 edition, chapter number 50, lecture number 4, page 631. Describe the neural pathway for accommodation reflex. The accommodation reflex, also known as the near response, involves a complex neural pathway that integrates sensory input and motor output to coordinate the three components. Afferent pathway, sensory pathway, 1, retina to visual cortex. Visual impulses, or light rays, from a near object are focused on the retina. The photoreceptors, rods and cones, in the retina convert light into electrical signals. These signals are transmitted through the optic nerve. Cranial nerve 2, optic chiasma, optic tract to lateral geniculate V. From the LGN, the signals are relayed to the primary visual cortex, V1, in the occipital lobe for initial processing. 1. Visual cortex processing. The visual cortex processes the image and determines the need for focusing on a near object. Information is then sent to higher visual association areas for further analysis and integration. Motor pathway. 2. Visual cortex to pretectal nucleus. The processed visual information is sent from the visual cortex to the pretectal area in the midbrain. The pretectal area plays a role in the coordination of the accommodation reflex. 3. Pretectal nucleus to Edinger-Westphal nucleus. The pretectal area sends bilateral signals to the Edinger-Westphal nucleus, which is a part of the oculomotor nuclear complex in the midbrain. Summary of pathway. 1. Light from a near object is processed by the retina and transmitted via the optic nerve to the visual cortex. 2. The visual cortex sends signals to the pretectal area in the midbrain. 3. The pretectal area sends bilateral signals to the Edinger-Westphal nucleus. 4. The Edinger-Westphal nucleus sends preganglionic parasympathetic fibers via the oculomotor nerve to the ciliary ganglion. 5. Postganglionic fibers from the ciliary ganglion innervate the ciliary muscle, accommodation, the sphincter pupillae muscle, pupillary constriction, and the medial rectus muscles, convergence. This coordinated neural pathway ensures that accommodation, convergence, and pupillary constriction occur simultaneously to maintain clear vision when focusing on near objects.